Welcome back to channel with another new vlog. Today we are vibing at Llandudno beach, which is right beside East Sea and not far from cities like Conway. So let's grab your coat, grab your shade and run it and meet my friend Ferris. Rahil. He's a senior network engineer at Huawei working London branch, and Dr. Noor, he's practicing at Wrexham Hospital, and Dr. Walid, he's also practicing at Wrexham Hospital. So let's grab the view and run it. So quiet estates, soft colors, this place got that old soul feel. Pastel houses lined up, neat chimneys puffing in the breeze, like the town's just chilling, no rush, no noise. And even the sky is on low volume today, just grey clouds hanging like curtains. Right here the coast meets claim. There's the Irish Sea spreading out wide, and over there there's the great Ormeal, just like grains just napping by the water. Waves roll in real soft, no drama, just rhythm. And you have got signs for boat trips, seabirds, seals and views that go. So grab a cheap box in one hand and slash in other and dodge them seagulls like its spot. It's all here. Burgers, donuts, buckets and patties, pure nostalgic chows, and I'm loving it. Alright, look at this monster, proper tall in it. This right here is the Llandudno Pier Ferris wheel. If you ever pull up to Llandudno, don't just hit the beach and bounce. Get up in that wheel, catch the view and feel the beach. It's not just a ride, it's completely reset your mind. So brothers, how are you feeling today? Rahil bhai?
Yo bro, everything is fantastic here. So 10 of 10.
Okay. And you, do you recommend other people to visit this place?
Yeah, definitely.
What do you enjoy most?
Feeling like garden.
And how are you feeling? Is like Vikings?
Well, I'm quite relieved from
Inside?
because of the view. It's
View.
quite nice.
Everything clear your mind, right?
Yeah, this fire is feeling
definitely.
exactly like in the Viking.
So we are getting inside to the game now. The classic claw machine, and look what we got here. 1 for 4 place. Those machines are like 90% luck and 10% heartbreak in it. Here is the air hockey. This is where the real competition begins. Just look around this place. It's full of arcade paradise. We got 2 quick coins, pushers jingling and non-stop. And you know, every machine's beeping and flashing like it's a Vegas casino.
Just like a ghost, a sad reflection of somebody that you used to know. Abandon who I was, convinced I'm not enough. Always been so caught up.
So those waves really kiss the shore in slow motion, no rush, no sauce, everything just in peace. get up in the mountain, and I'm getting so tired.
I'm feeling actually I was trying to catch the lamp,
Okay,
but they are running no.
do you want to slaughter those lambs? Yeah, just forget them. Yeah, come back, bro. So yeah, the trees are really amazing. Yeah, looks like Netflix movie. Yeah. Those pine trees are really amazing. We almost get in the last part of this beach, and you see my mates are a little bit tired and getting relaxed for that. But yeah, overall this place was very nice, and whenever you got time, you definitely visit. It really gives you the real charms of life. So we already have finished all the parts of this beach, and it's already 10 p.m. right now. And I'll ask a question to my mate. Hi, bro. So which things you have enjoyed most?
Bro, cleaning the hills,
All right.
the southern lights, and the ocean vibes. So I'm gonna miss all of it.
Really?
10 out of 10, bro.
So that's all for today's trip. And if you are living in UK or living in Wales or nearby city, then I would recommend to visit this beach. And you will have a lot of sports there, like you can climb the mountain,